Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how we can create the saved audiences or the custom audiences. So I am just clicking on this one, create a saved audience, and this option start appearing. So first of all we need to put its name. So just example I am putting as a test audience 1. Then it's asking for the custom audience. We don't need to include any custom audience here because that's what I have already discussed in the custom audience. Then first of all the locations. So based on the location there are 4 options: people living in or recently in this location, people living in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. So we can create the audience based on any of these locations. So first of all, people whose home or the most recent location is within that area, then we can select this option. If we just select second option, people living in this location, then we are targeting the people whose home is within that selected area. And people recently in this location, so we are targeting the people whose most recent location is in that location. And people traveling to this location, if we are selecting this option, so people whose most recent location is within the selected area but whose home is more than 125 miles or 200 kilometer away to that location, then we are targeting those people. So normally we are using this one, people living in or recently in that location. Then we need to select the location. So just example, if we are targeting the United States, so we can put the United States. We can target the people based on the country, region, city, address, or any of the locations or the DMA markets. So just example, I am including the United States. If you want to include the more locations, you can do that. So based on countries, regions, or save location, or even we can exclude the some of the location. So just example, if I want to exclude Alaska, so Alaska state, so from the United States I have just excluded that state. So we can include or exclude the things from here. So this is the summary of the audience that we are creating. So then we can also drop a pin to target a specific area. So just example again, if I click on the include, and then if just example I am dropping a pin here, so it will also include that location in our target audience as well. So just let me remove these ones, and then I am just dropping a pin. Okay, so here you can see based on the coordinates it start targeting to that location. We can even zoom in to see the location or zoom out as well, and we can target based on the miles from 1 mile to 50 miles. In some of the accounts you will see the kilometers option, so it's up to you what like the targeting option you want to include. If you want to add the bulk locations, you can use this option, add locations in bulk. So first of all, select countries, region or states, or DMA designated market areas, cities, postal code, or addresses. So just example, if I want to include the multiple locations at once, so I select this option, then we can put here like the United States, United Kingdom, then Canada, then Germany, then Australia, then Austria, then Sweden. So after adding this one, so just click on the match locations. and it will start matching. So it here are the different like the locations it match: United States, then United States minor outlying islands, I am just removing this one. United States Virgin Islands, I am removing that. Then United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia, Austria or Switzerland are available. Some of time if we are adding the states or cities, so some of the cities, just example, the same city names are available in the other countries, so those will also be included here. So after adding the audiences and locations and matching those, you must need to see if all those states, cities or DMA markets are available in your specific targeting country. Then you can save this audience to use again, or simply click on add 7 locations. Okay, after doing this one, the age limits. So here you can see the different age limits that are available. So as a minimum we can target the 13, and as a maximum we can target the 65 plus. So again, it's totally up to you what location, what age limit you want to use. Then the gender, both genders, if you want to target the both genders, select on all. If male specific or female specific, you can use these options. Then the languages, you can target the people based on the specific languages, and this is the main thing, detailed targeting. So here are the different options available: demographics, interest or the behaviors. In the demographics you can see the different things like education, financial, life events, parents, relationship and work related things. So if we further narrow it down for the education, there are the different levels available: education level, field of study, school, and the undergrads years. So for the education level, just example, associate degree, college grade, doctorate degree. So the based on these education levels you can target the people. So under the financials, you can see the income levels of the different people we can target based on the income levels. Then the life events, we can target the people based on their life event, like anniversary, away from family, away from hometown or something like that. Similarly, birthday, we just select on the upcoming birthdays, we can target the people. Or if we can target the people based on the birthday months as well. So next, friends of, we can target the people who are the friends of man with the birthday like 0 to 7 days or something like that. So you can select any of the targeting options here. You can target the long distance relationship, new job, new relationship, newly engaged people, newlywed people, or recently moved location, moved people. So for the parents, you can target the parents who are the new parents, or the parents with the adult child, early school age child, all those type of the parents. In the relationship, you can target the people based on their relationship targets, relationship statuses. So here are the different types of the relationship are available, you can specify. Next, based on the work, based on their employers or based on their industries, you can target the people based on these industries as well, and similarly related to job titles. We come at the interest level. So there are the lot of interest are available based on business and industry, entertainment, family and relationship, fitness and wellness, food and drinks, hobbies, and all those type of the things. You can narrow it down. So business and industry, you can target the advertising, agriculture, architecture, aviation. In the banking sector, you can target investment banking, online banking, retail banking. You can target the business, you can target the construction, you can target the design like fashion design, graphic design, interior design, economics, engineering, entrepreneurship, healthcare. So these are the different options available. Based on the online businesses like the digital marketing, display advertising, email marketing, these type are the different things available. Personal finances, you can see the different personal finances options like credit card, insurance, investment, mortgage loans, real estate, retail, sales, science, small businesses. Then you can target the people based on the entertainment category like the games, life events, movies, music, reading, TV. So these are the different things you can like target the people. I am not discussing those. You can all see all these things from your side. So family and relationship, we can target the people based on the interest, people's interest related to family and relationships. We can target the people fitness and wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and technology, all those type of the things. So similarly for the behaviors, we have the different options like the anniversaries. We can target the people based on their anniversary. Then consumer classifications, there are the different consumer classifications available. You can see here. So just example, for the UAE, the people who prefer high value goods in UAE or people who prefer mid to high value goods in UAE, we can select in these options. Similarly, digital activities like canvas gaming, console gamer, or something like that, we can target the people based on if they are the page admins. We can target the people based on interest behaviors and all those type of the things. Then operating system users, we can target the people. We can target the expats. Then we can target the people, mobile device users. We can target the people mobile device use. Then politics, we can use based on that. We can also target people based on their purchase behavior. We can target the people based on soccer. We can target the people based on travel. So these all type of the things are available. We can include and exclude as well. So just example, if you want to target the people, just example, the fast food audience. So just example, the fast food nation, and but you want to exclude the people who like KFC. So you can exclude the people as well. So similarly for the last option available here for the connections. So people who currently like or follow your page, we can include those, or we can even exclude those as well. So here are the different options based on the Facebook page, based on apps, or based on events. We can include or exclude those options. So after adding all these things, we simply need to click on create saved audience, and that audience will be saved. In this way, we can create the saved audiences in the Facebook ads manager.